How to buy Gram ecosystem token. So this token came under the symbol of Grampus, or Gram is the same. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now before going on by this token, make sure to check the MEXC account and keep following the updates about this token. So this token is available on MEXC. So how to buy this token on your MEXC account? Now first of all, open your MEXC account, as you can see, and make sure to log into your account. If you don't have an account in MEXC, you can go down in the description and you will be able to find the referral link. Go and create an account in MEXC to benefit from rewards and fund your account with some USDT. Now after that, what you need to do in the search bar, as you can see, you can type the token name. As you can see, it will be Gram or Grampus, is the same. Now click on this pair and wait a few seconds to load this page. Now what you need to do here, as you can see, click on limits here. As you can see, now here you can type how much you want to buy of that token. So here you will be able to see how much you will pay of that USDT on your account. Now click on buy Gram. If you select the market, you can drag this to set how much percentage that you want to use of that USDT on your account to be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy Gram token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.